Hello everyone! Today's video will keep you on the edge of your seat as we watch shocking and unexpected accidents, from horrific crashes to moments of chaos. Join us as we see just how dangerous and fragile life on the road can be. Drive safe to all of us. A shocking accident when the small car lost control and hit a truck, then the truck hit the concrete road divider. And boom, the truck exploded.
Over there! Get it going! That fucking thing's gonna blow up! Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Come in! Amy Jo, come inside. It's fucking dangerous.
The car suddenly caught fire by itself in the parking lot. What do you think caused it? A terrible bus versus bus accident. A bus stopped to pick up passengers, but was suddenly hit by another bus from behind. The bus overturned and the passengers tried to save themselves. A lucky man who survived a single car accident suddenly. A driver was about to enter his car, but suddenly a car flew above his car. And it turned out that the car was being chased by the police and he ran away so that an accident occurred. car ran away from the police and was hit at a traffic light intersection, then the police arrested it. What is the case of the driver?
Hello? Hey, what? He missed it. Oh! Damn! Oh my God. I hope the dude's in the truck all right, man.
There was a pileup accident caused by a car running away from the police. However, after the accident, the police were able to immediately arrest him. A terrible event, a tree fell on a stopped car, so that the car that was hit was badly damaged. Always pay attention to your surroundings, bro. A pileup accident occurred, apparently caused by fog that was not visible ahead so that other drivers did not know there was an accident in front of them. The pickup truck carrying wood hit the fence of the house and entered the yard, finally stopping after hitting the house.
Fucking believe that.
Thank you all for watching this video till the end. If you find this content useful, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to get our latest videos as soon as they are released. We strive and promise to bring you more high quality and interesting videos. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.